Hi, my name is Regina Wadsworth with Keller Eames Realty Augusta Partners, and I'm a real estate agent working in the Augusta, Georgia area. And I have been a real estate agent for over 10 years, and I'm a native of Augusta, Georgia. My husband and I were in the military. He moved me around for 24 years PCSing, so I know what it's like to move and to have the stressful life of being a military wife. It was a great life, but getting ready to PCS and trying to figure out where we're going to live every 3 years was definitely a process. And so I want to be able to make that process easier for you. And I'd love the opportunity to work with you, me or anyone on my team. I also work with an agent, Shelley Clark, and she is retired Air Force, and she is very knowledgeable about the VA loan process well. So either of us would love to help you. I wanted to go over today some things that you're going to need to have and be ready to produce for the lender when you're asked for these financial documents. So you might as well go ahead and start getting those together and setting them aside. You're going to need bank statements for 2 months. You're going to need tax returns for 2 years, the last 2 years, and 2 years of your W-2 forms. If you're PCSing, you're definitely going to need your orders. You have to have your orders. Number one thing that I want to stress to you, the most important thing is your orders. If you're moving here and you go under contract, you've got to have your orders, okay? A lot of people get excited and they want to come house hunting, but we recommend that you wait till you have your orders in hand. It's very important. You're also going to need your copy of your LES, your latest LES if you're active duty, and any investment properties, any current leases that you have on those investment properties as well. Those are some things to just start gathering. And I would recommend that you put them into a digital file to start streamlining that process so you can email that to the lender when you've picked out the right lender that fits your needs. The lender in this process is really important. A lot of people ask me, what lender should I use? So I can definitely recommend a few. I can recommend you about 3 to call and talk to and interview. And we'll talk about the interview process in a minute for your lender. Don't limit yourself to just the local lenders. You can use local or you can use a national bank. Both will have experience with the VA loan process. You want to shop for the best interest rate that you can get and the best customer service experience that you'll get from that lender as well. When I talk to clients that have worked with lenders, something that's really important that they stress to me is the communication response time, how quickly they respond to you. If you're in the military and you're moving, you do not have a lot of time maybe to even answer the phone during the day. So when you reach out to the lender, it's really important that they reach back to you quickly and within a certain time frame that you need them to. So communication is really important as well. A lender should be able to go through the entire process from start to finish, from filling out the VA loan application all the way down to the closing. So I want you to contact 2 or 3 people to kind of get an idea of which one is the best fit from you. A couple questions to ask your lender when doing an interview. You can just jot down these answers as they answer them when you're going over this with them. I also recommend that you might do a Zoom call just so you kind of get to know them a little bit easier. One thing that you want to ask is how many VA loans have you processed this year or last year? Do you specialize in VA loans? That will tell you a lot. What is the interest rate that you can offer me currently? And when can you lock that interest rate in? That's a really important question. What is the underwriting process that I'm going to go through? And how much of that underwriting process do you do up front? Is there a penalty for prepayment of my VA loan? And the most important question is, can you close on time? That's really important. If you're moving here, you're PCSing here, and you're packed up with kids and your furniture, you want to be able to move here and move right in your new home if you can do that. In order to obtain a VA loan, you're going to first need your certificate of eligibility, your COE, and you'll need that, and you can go online and fill out a request for that. So you want to go to ebenefits.va.gov and using your CAT card, and you can fill that out and you can pull your COE. You'll need to give that to the lender as well. If you have any questions, I'd love to be able to answer those questions for you. I definitely offer Zoom calls for a buyer consultation, whether you're buying a VA loan or conventional loan or FHA. This brings up a good point. What is the benefit of using my VA loan, doing a VA loan or using that VA benefit versus a conventional loan? Because sometimes you may not want to do the VA loan, even if you have the eligibility to use it. With the VA loan, there is 0 down payment. With a conventional loan, you're going to put down up to 20%. With a VA loan, there is no PMI. With conventional loan, you definitely have a PMI to pay on your mortgage. Low interest rates for the VA loan. The conventional loan, you have higher interest rates because it's more of a risk, that type loan. So I hope this has helped you a little bit today. Like I said, please message me, click down below on my website if you have any questions, and you can click down below for the VA buyer guide as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day.